Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to view your Aadhaar card online in 2025. If you're in India or dealing with official documents, you know how important your Aadhaar is. It's your unique identity proof issued by the UIDAI. With updates in 2025 focusing on better security and user-friendly features, accessing it online has never been easier. So, let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your Aadhaar number handy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official UIDAI website. That's uidai.gov.in. Always use the official site to avoid scams. Once you're there, look for the My Aadhaar or Aadhaar Services section. It's usually right on the homepage for quick access. Next, you'll need to enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number in the provided field. Don't worry if you forget it. You might have options to retrieve it, but for now, let's assume you've got it. After that, the system will prompt you for verification. In 2025, this could include a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number or email. Just enter the OTP accurately to proceed. Security is key here to protect your personal info. Once verified, you'll be taken to your Aadhaar dashboard. Here, you can view all the details like your name, photo, address, and even any updates made. If you want to download a copy, hit the download button, and it might ask you to select a format like PDF. Remember, in 2025, there could be new features like masked Aadhaar for privacy, so explore those options. A few quick tips. Always log out after you're done, keep your device secure, and if you encounter any issues, contact UIDAI support through their helpline. This process is free, so don't pay anyone for it. And there you have it. That's how you view your Aadhaar card online in 2025. It's straightforward, secure, and saves you a trip to the center. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.